You should have your Bitcoin LARP kit that you either bought or put together yourself. Let's go through everything that goes in a Base 58 LARP kit. What's really cool about the kit is that we've taken a lot of the parts of the protocol and turned them into this collection of items that each do work or stand for something in the Bitcoin protocol. We'll walk through how all the pieces fit together into the bigger picture and make the protocol that allows Bitcoin to work. Let's go through the contents of the kit together now. In a later video, I'll show you how to put together each of the node baskets or Bitcoin Core download each group will get. Here's what we'll be giving to each group or node that's participating in the LARP. 1 plastic basket labeled mempool. 1 plastic basket labeled UTXO set. 5 loose leaf binder rings. 1 blockchain or an index card case with a Genesis block. 10 blank block header cards. 10 blank compact block cards. 30 blank transaction cards. 4 key sticker pages. 4 lock sticker pages. 1 self-inking approval stamp. 1 secret key card. 2 ballpoint pens. 1 dry erase marker. 1 basic miner. 5 I have transaction cards. 5 send transaction network cards. 5 I have blocks network cards. 5 send block network cards. 1 transaction validation checklist. 1 block validation checklist. 10 block templates. 1 node scorecard. Did you recognize what a few of these items will be used for in the LARP? There's a few pieces that we'll need to put together before they're ready to be handed out. Let's get into putting everything together now.